This is an eBay pump we picked up for roughly 20 bucks. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and toss it into this bike we have over here. I like how the seller put the info of the bike that it came from. So that's one thing that's nice about buying these OEM parts off of eBay. Original fuel lines, OEM, probably an OEM filter, and then we got the pump right here. Heck yeah. Went ahead and slipped out the original one from the cage since we already got it down in here. And so we can just drop this right on and then get a cup of gas and kind of flush it out a little bit. We can get it all tested. You can kind of see in here a little bit. Doesn't really have any significant signs of rust. It actually is still pretty clean in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and flush it out with some fresh gas and open up the petcock. You can see we got a few dirty gas flakes piled up around the petcock tubing filters here. But if we're just gentle, we can kind of rub some of this off. I think it's still usable, so let's give it a shot. That should work. We'll just let that sit here. We got 5 more gallons of gas. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this big boy out a little bit more, and then we'll reinstall our petcock with the gasket. Hopefully this will still seal. We're gonna put this back on here exactly how we took it out. And we're gonna carefully push into this. Let's see if she does. It's nice and snug. Let's see if that holds. We got oil back in the bike, got the gas tank on. Now I think we're gonna flush out the lines. I wanna make sure we properly flush out that fuel pump. And then once we clear it out for a bit, we'll hook it up to the carburetor, reseat the gas tank, bolt it into place, and fingers crossed, we'll go ahead and start this thing. All right, moment of truth. We got gas tank on. Still need to put the gauge cluster, but it's time to fire it up. Let's go ahead, turn the key. It's alive! Woo-hoo! Man, long time coming. We've been working on this for a minute. Oh my goodness, finally. Well, now I just need to go ahead and hook up the odometer, get this screwed on, and reconnect these. It's running like a top. I think we're gonna have to remove these baffles though. I think we're gonna have to pull the baffles out of these pipes. You got some complete randoms in this, but they're holding it down, and that's all we need, so that'll work. But anywho, let's go ahead and turn the key again. You got our neutral light, and the brights kick on and off. Potential, man. Look at that thing. It's looking pretty good now. Got the seats back on it. Wiped them down with a little conditioner. Still need to do compound on all the paint, but I wiped it with some turtle spray wax. So far so good.